Hi, I'm Jackie Partridge from Jackie Partridge Art. Today we are going to be painting a poppy painting that's perfect for Remembrance Day art in the classroom or Remembrance Day art to do with kids age 7 and up, or if you're an acrylic beginner painter, you can give this poppy painting a try as well. So we'll need a flat inch brush, a number 6 round brush, and a smaller round brush for details, a rag, cup of water. I am painting on an acrylic painting paper. You can choose a canvas or canvas board if you would like. I also have titanium white paint, and I'll be using a bit of Mars black. I have some cadmium red, a little bit of primary magenta, some cadmium yellow, and a bit of permanent green light. I also have 2 different blues, ultramarine and cobalt blue, if you would like to mix some of your own green as well. So we're going to start by painting the background first. So I'm just going to get a bit of titanium white, some titanium white, and then a little bit of Mars black to make our gray for the background. Then we're just going to cover our painting surface completely. I get some extra white in there in some areas. And just get lots of paint on your brush. You can also do a couple coats to make sure that everything is covered. Also add a little bit of water to your paint just to make a little bit more of a lighter wash. Okay, and once you're happy with your background, we're just going to let it dry for about 20 or 30 minutes, and then we will come back and paint our poppies. All right, so now that this is pretty much dry, my hands are dirty, we can start painting our poppy. So you can map it out in chalk with our shape. And I can do another one over here. So I'm just using like a V shape. And this is gonna kind of be some buds. All right, perfect. Then you can begin painting. So I'm gonna start with my stems. So I'm gonna use some of my green. I'm using permanent green light. You can also mix your own green with some yellow and blue. I'm adding a little bit of Mars black to it to make a darker green. And I'm using my thin round detail brush to paint the stems. And then the little buds kind of have a curl to them. It doesn't need to be perfect. Paint on the little buds. We're going to keep this more of an abstract painting, so you don't need to worry about it being perfect. And then we are just going to brush in some greenery down here at the bottom. I'm going to keep mostly a dry brush, so I'm not going to add any water to it. And I'm just going to paint quickly so that I can resemble some grass or leaves or greenery. Paint right to the bottom. And then you can add some extra yellow to the green as well so that you have a variety of different colors. And you can cover up parts of the stem, that's okay. Just painting quite quickly. And some extra green in there. You can add a bit of red to your green to kind of dull the color, and you're just going to layer different greens. I'm going to link my mixing green video in the description of this video as well. And by adding some red to our green, that's just going to pull out some of the reds in the poppy as well. I'm not cleaning my brush in between colors, I'm just letting the colors kind of blend and flow together. Add a bit of black in some areas. Add some more yellow. So I'm just building up the layers, adding lots of different colors and texture. Using a dry brush, painting quick. Okay, perfect. Now we can paint in the poppy. I'm going to paint in with some cadmium red into our V shape that we added on with chalk. I'm still using my round detail brush. Then I'm going to add a little bit of my primary magenta, or you can mix your own pink with some red and some white, just to add a bit more variety to my poppy. You can get your brush a bit wet so that you can create a nice smooth line. You can also add a little bit of yellow in your poppy too. And we're going to add the little black part at the bottom of our poppy, just with some Mars black. You can touch up anything that you need to just by adding another layer. And if you need to fix anything, cover up any areas in your background, you can go ahead and just mix some more gray and touch it up. You want to be really careful painting around what you made, but it can just help to add a little bit more texture and interest. You could also wait until your paint dries before you go in and add some more texture to your background. Just using a dry brush with not a lot of water. And there you have your abstract poppy painting, perfect for beginner painters or kids age 7 and up to give it a try. So have fun painting your abstract poppy. I'd love to see it. Tag me on Instagram at Jackie Partridge Art and comment below and let me know what painting tutorial you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. Happy painting!